Come on a journey through beach and forest. Walk on deserted beaches, discover birds of extraordinary beauty. Travel through isolated lakes, witness unexpected events and see hidden colours. Walk in dense forest, find a creature in parts. And another with searching red eyes. Journey over open plains, see a creature the size of a ruckman with the strength of 3. Come up against an unmovable object. In the dry lands, find an animal who digs with his nose. And others that fly in packs. Come on a journey to find the essence of Tasmania, but be careful the journey does not end in obsession.